I think half the reason why I actually order from a company is how good their customer service is and how good they make me feel. Yeah, that's where we're going. Hi everyone, welcome to Tea with Jann. My name is Jann. Fancy. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you subscribe. We chat about tea. And yeah, let's just dive right into it. If you've seen the title of this video, you know what we're talking about. We're doing a tea haul from Desserts by Deb. Ooh. And look at how adorable this is. Dessert by Deb. Like, her branding is so adorable. And then she adds these stickers, and not only are they spectacular stickers, they're fuzzy. I just love that. All right, let's get this guy open. Scissors help, Jann. All right, I haven't opened this. We're gonna do it together. I like hanging out with you, and I like opening tea with you, so that's fun. Where am I still stuck? So, dessert. I keep wanting to say desserts. It could be desserts. Dessert by Deb. She has just celebrated her 1-year anniversary of her store being open and the whole thing. So, and I have heard everybody go on about how great her teas are for the last year. It's been amazing. And I had been wanting to try, so I just said, finally, you know what? I'm gonna do it. Oh! This is so cute. All right, let's do this. A sweet note. So cute. And it's, look, it's hers, made in Toronto. Wow, nice. Dear Jann, hello my tea friend. Welcome to your Dessert by Deb tea goodies. I hope the teas in this parcel brighten your days and you'll enjoy and love having fun with everything. It's such a weird and difficult time on so many levels, and I never imagined I'd be sending packages under these circumstances. But what we do know is how strong, resilient, and joyous we tea lovers are. We know the happiness and light tea can bring in our day and our friendships, and I know I feel blessed to have it in mine. Thank you so much for being my customer and for your support in business. I hope you love everything, and I have Nova Scotia in my heart and prayers. Hashtag Nova Scotia strong. Stay safe and well. Best wishes, Deb. Whew. Well, you know, that's the thing about life, is that we're all just bumbling our way through it, and we don't even realize when we're just gonna like impact somebody. So I live in a small province in Canada called Nova Scotia, and I live in a small community within that province. And on top of everything with the whole virus and everything, we had also been impacted by a horrific mass shooting. And some days it's just, it's very difficult. It definitely makes my heart swell knowing that there are people in other provinces and around the world that, I guess, just send their love. So thank you very much, Deb. You'll never know how much that means to me. Okay. All right, let's dive back into the package and yeah, dive into the joy that tea can bring us. So she does stationery and paper goods, home and kitchen accessories, organic dessert teas. She's based out of Toronto, Canada. I'll leave all the links down below. Dessert by Deb's mission to create sweet dessert teas and products to uplift you and to help you live your brightest, happiest sweet tea pie life. Her branding is so fun. And oh my gosh, you guys, look. This is adorable. I mean, I'm a sucker for like pink and turquoise. I'm actually like a sucker for any color, including black. Like, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I typically wear a lot of black. All right, what do we got here? A notebook. This is cute. 48 pages lined dessert by Deb. Aw, she added this. That's so sweet of her. Look at that. Isn't it so pretty? And it's like lined. So this would be the stationery that she does. So cute. Magic cream puff. Thank you, Deb, so much for sending this. I've been kicking my butt that I didn't add this to my cart. So I love that she includes a sample. Adorable. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. I also love that you can actually get 25-gram packages to purchase because like I just want to try so many different teas that it's difficult for me to buy the 50 grams that, you know, it's a bit much. So I love the 25 grams because like, it's like, just send me a bit of everything. It's almost like, I guess that's what I'm like when I eat. I'm just like, I just want little bits of everything. I'm like one of those grazers. It's like, give me grazing all day long. First one up, we have Berry Bouquet Green Tea. And I love that pink. Oh, I can never pronounce this. I'm really, if you guys have been around for a bit, you know that I am horrible with pronunciations. I said that word right though, didn't I? Sakura Blossom Jelly. Cherry Blossom Jelly. Sour Cherry Tartlet. Lady Grey's Garden. Chocolate Orange Biscuit Cake. Now when I actually sat down to do this order, I sat down with Jeanette and let her pick out some as well. So some of these, she was just like, oh yeah, give me that. Butter Toffee Cream. I believe this is the Lemon Coconut Pie. I think I got this one like free because it was like her anniversary week, her store's business, her store's birthday week. So lemon coconut pie, and pretty sure I'm gonna love this one, so I got a bigger one. Earl Grey tea cake, and it's black tea, natural bergamot, honey, bee pollen, Canadian maple, brown sugar, calendula petals, and lavender. Like, doesn't that just sound wonderful? Let's open this one. And I love that they're like the easy pull. That's fancy. If you need me, I'll just be in here. Oh, you guys, that smells amazing. It reminds me of a candy that I had when I was a kid. Or maybe a dessert? Oh my God, I just want to live in that. That's amazing. Okay. This is so fun. And then she pads it with pink. I'm like, look, all the rainbows. Oh, it's so fun. That was the funnest mail pickup ever. I can't wait. I am so excited to try these all, and I will be back and we will try them together. If you guys want me to try a specific one first, or if you think that I missed ordering something that I should have ordered, let me know in the comments down below. Again, Deb, thank you so much for your heartfelt note. Like, that has completely touched me, so thank you. I will see you guys in the comments down below. Until next time, take care. Bye! I should have bought more.